You are welcome to this channel. On this channel, we talk about how to use natural food, herbs, natural healthy creams for your body and hair, and healthy habits to prevent and treat illnesses. Generally, we talk about your health. Please watch this video to the end. Ever wondered how to achieve that perfect glass skin naturally? Welcome to the world of glass skin, a skincare trend that has taken the beauty world by storm. Glass skin refers to a complexion that's so smooth, radiant, and translucent, it's like looking through a pane of glass. Today, we're going to unveil a secret Japanese glass skin recipe. This natural DIY formula uses simple ingredients like coconut oil, carrots, Vaseline, almond oil, and honey. Stay tuned as we reveal a secret Japanese glass skin recipe that will leave your skin glowing, hydrated, and super smooth. Let's dive into the nutrients and minerals in our natural ingredients. Coconut oil is a heavy hitter, packed with antioxidants. It deeply moisturizes and fights bacteria. Carrots are high in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which brighten the skin and reduce blemishes. Vaseline seals in moisture, prevents dryness, and protects the skin barrier, ensuring a dewy glow. Almond oil, rich in vitamin E, repairs damaged skin and evens out your skin tone. Honey, a natural humectant, hydrates and also has antibacterial properties. For an added touch of luxury, consider rosewater, which soothes and tones the skin, or aloe vera gel that calms irritation and hydrates deeply. These natural ingredients work together to create a synergistic effect. They hydrate, brighten, and protect your skin, leaving it glowing and super smooth. Unlike harsh, store-bought creams, this recipe is gentle, nourishing, and gives long-lasting results. These natural ingredients work together to hydrate, brighten, and protect your skin. Now, armed with the knowledge about these skin-loving ingredients, you're ready to whip up your own glass skin remedy. Begin by extracting the carrot oil. Add your grated carrot to a small pan, along with the coconut oil. Let it simmer on low heat for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, strain the oil and discard the carrot pieces. Next, it's time to mix. In a clean bowl, combine the carrot-infused coconut oil with the Vaseline, almond oil, honey, and if you choose, the rose water and aloe vera gel. Stir it all together until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. Finally, store and use. Transfer your homemade cream into a small container. Every night, before heading to bed, apply a small amount to your clean skin. Be sure to massage it in gently, using circular motions for deep absorption. This Japanese-inspired natural remedy will give you that radiant glass-like glow with regular use. Please give this video a thumbs up. Give it a try and share your results in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a like and drop your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell so you will be the first to get alerted when we post a new video.